Maytag Coin Laundry. It's like doing laundry in America. If you don't have a machine at home. Okay. This is how you do your laundry in America. See that?
If you don't have a washer and dryer.
If you don't have a washer dryer in your house, you just put coins in there, water. Just dump it there. How many pounds or kilo can go inside? 60 pounds?
Yeah, see it?
Oh, I see. It's 60 pounds. Oh, this is a dryer. We really have this one who gives the self laundry. Yeah, it's a business, but not this type. I don't know what. The machine is very expensive.
Yeah.
Detergent and fabric softener bleach put here. Okay. Just like that. Solid. Just one?
Yep.
Okay. Then you put powder? No.
No.
Okay. Then, what you said? What do you need to do? How many quarters? Will it,
$7.25.
will it tell you?
Yeah, $7.25.
Oh. For that load? It is a weighing scale or something? 7.25. Okay. Sorry. How much now? 5.25. My points in the car. Select or start. Just do that. Okay. How many minutes? No, it's washing.
Yeah, I don't know how long.
Oh, okay. It's just wash. Okay. Oh. It's full. See? This one is smaller loaves, like 20 pounds. See? Oh, I see. After 45 minutes, look at it, nothing done.
Kuya is unloading the laundry. Sorry. My cousin has a YouTube channel. So
This is washing in America.
so
This is washing in America.
So he's putting. Okay, now you need to put some of that, Kuya. The sheets, the dryer sheets. Yes, I put like 3 of them. Yeah,
Inside?
yeah. Throw it in there.
Put the sheets. I don't know what's this one. Okay. Put the sheets.
Okay,
Cover it. And then for what?
close. And then there's the corners over there. There you go.
Oh, this one?
Uh huh.
Okay.
And put 4 quarters in there. Uh huh. And then press start. Start the button that says start. Right here. See it?
Oh, hi.
Start.
This one?
Uh huh.
Okay.
There you
12
go.
minutes.
Okay.
Wait, it's 12 minutes to dry. Sorry. Just like that. 1 minute more. It's coming out. Very soon. Dexter dryer. 80 pounds dryer. Just finished. See? Thank you. Thank you. It's done. Open it. Then put the laundry here. Just like that.
It's a little damp still.
Yeah, I'll hang it.
It's okay. I can put it in more.
Is it?
Yeah, it's okay.
This is the folding table. After the clothes are dried. See that? Basket for the clothes. After you wash it. This is the folding. Okay. Just like that because it's already done. See?